In this Mentum review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the software Mentum. If you have any questions, please comment them down below, and I'll also make sure to leave a discounted link down there so you can always get your money's worth for Mentum. Mentum is an AI copywriting software. This is what you should see once you've actually logged in or even created your account. There's not too much going on, however it is a bit daunting for any beginners and you don't know what anything actually does. So I'm going to quickly run through every feature, and then throughout the review I'm going to dive deeper into each one. So starting off with this home page that you should land on once you've made your account, there is the Mentum logo in the top left hand corner. Once you click it, it should take you to this main page right here. All the way to the right of that you actually have a 30% discount if you are wanting to use the upgraded version. Right now we're on the free trial version. To the right of that, as you can see, we have our account where it says we are on the free trial version. If you click on that, you can either go to your dashboard, your account, or even log out if you wish to do so. All the way to the left you can see we have our sectors right here. We have the dashboard, custom writer, advertising, writing tools, blog, website, email, startup and business. All the way down here on the left hand side we have the help and contact section if you need to help or contact someone who runs the software. As you can see in this main section, there's a lot going on. If you scroll through, you can actually see all of the sectors and all of their areas and features. Now straight at the top you can see we've got Facebook right here with these two. We've got Google, LinkedIn, and just a general ad for the advertising section. In the writing tools section we have a paragraph ad copy, text extender and shortener, and easy read summary and an FAQ questions. In the blog section we have a blog title, blog intro, blog paragraph and an outline. In the website section we have a call to action, hero text, meta description, keywords and testimonials. Email section, subject lines, follow-up email, cold email, welcome email and thank you notice. And then finally in the start of business we have product name generator, product description and job interview questions. Now overall, there's a lot going on again, but these features are actually really good for the AI generation since there are cool features and you can actually use them to your advantage, whether you're starting a business or just wanting to blog or even have any form of writing. So we're going to go ahead and go through one or two of each section and see what features they include. Starting off, we're going to go ahead with a Google description, just a random one off the bat off the top of my head. And once you click on that, it should take you to the Google description area. Now as you can see on the left hand side, there has opened up loads of different areas for the advertising section. These are just the areas that we already covered as I was going through them really quickly, but now they're on the left hand side in case you want to quickly change without going back to the main menu or the dashboard. Now to go through the Google description area, what you want to do is type in your brand right here, right there below that, and then below that you can see there is a description, whether you want to type in your description, and then advanced settings if you want to change any of the settings. I'm going to go ahead and quickly fill this in. So if we were to make a brand, let's just go off the top of my head, we're going to go for a gym brand. So we're just going to call it Help Fitness. And then as a description, I went ahead and quickly typed that in. Help Fitness is a fitness brand helping people lose weight and gain muscle. Quick description, not too much going on. If you were actually doing this for real, you might want to add a little bit more and a little bit more variety so the AI can actually generate a good description for you. Next, in the advanced settings right here, what you want to go ahead and do is click change. Once you click that, this section should open up where you can actually change the output language by clicking on this, the tone and the audience. I'm going to go ahead and change this to English British since I am British, and then for the tone you can type these in normally. I went ahead and typed in professional because we want a professional tone to sell our fitness brand. The audience is going to be gym people. Again, we want people who actually go to the gym to help with the fitness. So once you went ahead and filled in all of that information to your liking or to your brand with whatever brand you want, you can then go to the bottom right here and click create. Once you've actually went ahead and clicked create, it does take a few seconds to actually create, but you can see now we have created a Google description from the AI generated. So I'm going to go ahead and read through a few of these which I think are the best. Help Fitness, for when you're ready to get serious about your health. That's a pretty decent one, just a quick Google description. Get Fit with Help Fitness. That one's not too good, you know, it's too short. Transform your body with Help Fitness. Again, that one's alright, but it's kind of too short. I do like this one, the second one in, so I think I'm going to go with that one. So once you like this, you can actually go ahead all the way to the right here, and these two buttons you can either copy it or click like on it. I'm going to go ahead and click like, and it should actually highlight this love heart for that section. You can go ahead and also copy it if you need to, and it should say copy to your clipboard. All the way back to the dashboard, we're going to go ahead and go onto the writing tools now and see what features that uses. I'm going to go ahead and pick one of these. We're going to go with just a paraphrase text. As you can see on the paraphrase text section, it actually has already put in our health fitness brand. I'm just going to go ahead and keep that the same just so we can quickly run through this feature. And you can see sentence or paragraph. I wrote a sentence. The settings are already set to what we had. So I'm going to go ahead and just click create. So there you go, it's actually changed the phrasing of our text. So as you can see, Health Fitness is a brand that helps people lose weight and gain muscle. That's pretty much what we said in the first place, although it's actually taken away the that in that helps people lose weight. Down here there's another one. Health Fitness is a brand that helps people with their fitness goals. That's a pretty good one. It actually rephrases the text into another nice sentence. So I'm going to go ahead and just click like on this one. Next, back to the dashboard again. We're going to scroll through. We've done advertising and we've done the writing tools in the paraphrase text. That one was pretty quick. So I want to go ahead and move on to the blog now. We're going to go ahead and just click blog intro to see what features this uses in Mentum. Once you are on the blog intro section, you can see blog intro right there. We're on that section. Description or keywords. You can go ahead and actually write a short description, or even if you can't even think of one, you can go ahead and just write keywords. So we're going to keep again this description that we already wrote. Advanced settings, going to keep them the same, and then we're going to go ahead and click create. Once you have created it and it has AI generated it, you can see that it has actually extended it by a lot and created a good description. So I'm going to go ahead and read through this. Welcome to Health Fitness. We are a fitness brand dedicated to helping people lose weight and gain muscle. We offer a variety of products and services to help you reach your fitness goals. We also have a blog where we share tips and advice on how to stay fit and healthy. Thanks for visiting us today. This is absolutely great. Looking at it right now and reading through it, that the AI generating software has actually generated this all by itself just from this little short sentence that we wrote. I would definitely use this myself, and this is a really good feature for the blog intro. You wouldn't even have to use this as a blog intro. This would be a good description for any form of website as well. Back to the dashboard page, all the way down there now, we can go ahead and move on to the website section, and then finally the email startup. On the website section, we're going to go ahead and click any one of these. Let's go with hero text. Create a perfect hero text for your landing and sales page. Once we've actually landed on this, you can see hero text brand. It does already say our brand, and same with the product description. So across the Mentum software, as you can see so far, everything actually keeps what you want. If you're actually going for a niche business or a niche goal, then it would be good to keep every description in how it does, so you wouldn't have to keep typing it out and out again. Settings are all the same, and we're going to go ahead and click create. There we go, it has created the hero text for our landing page on our website, so let's read through that. Looking to get fit? Health Fitness has everything you need to lose weight and gain muscle. From workout gear to healthy recipes, we help you get the results you're looking for. Absolutely fabulous AI generated sentence once again. If this was on a website landing page, it actually grabs your attention with the question that I didn't even type in, and some description of the brand. I'm going to go ahead and click like on that. Now back to the dashboard again, all the way down here, we now move on to the email section. We're going to go ahead and just do a cold email. Let's go ahead and say we are looking to reach clients. On the cold email section right here, we've got our brand that's already filled in and our campaign or product description. Let's go ahead and click create. And there you go, it has created your cold email. Again, I'm going to read through this really quickly. Hi, I'm reaching out to you because I think Health Fitness could be great to fit your needs. Health Fitness is a fitness brand helping people lose weight and gain muscle. We have a wide range of products or services that can help you reach your fitness goals. I think we could be a great fit for you, and I would love to discuss our products and services further with you. If you're interested, please let me know and I'll be happy to set up a time to chat. Thank you for your time. And then it does leave a little space for you to type your name in personally for you. I think this is a great AI generated email. Personally, I think it would be good to have a bit more personalization in it, but you could go ahead and just edit that in your own time, and this could be a good ground base for your cold email. Finally, moving on to the last section, startup and business. So we've got everything else covered out of the way for our health fitness brand. We're going to go ahead and actually produce a product name generator or even a product description. I'm going to go with product name generator just for the sake of, let's say we're trying to make a product. So product category, I'm going to go with fitness, and then describe your product or add keywords about it. I'm going to go ahead, let's say for health fitness, we're going to go ahead and introduce a new weight section in our fitness area. There you go, I went ahead and put in some keywords, deadlift weights, and that is super durable. I'm going to go ahead and click create now. And there you go, for our deadlift weights that are super durable. If we were creating a product about it, this would be the product name generator. We've got power lift, ultra lift, mega lift, titan lift, or supreme lift. Personally, I don't think it's too good that they all end in lift. However, there's some words at the start that actually would be good for a name. Titan lift would be a good product name for a deadlifting weights, or even ultra lift. I'm going to go ahead and just heart the Titan lift one, and then you would also copy it to name your product. And that is it, we reached the end of this software. And there you go, that is it for the software Mentum. Personally, I think it is a great software and I would actually use it myself. A few features I liked is how well the AI is integrated into the software. It comes out with a lot of good descriptions if you have a lot of good keywords or even small sentences to begin with. If you're making a business from scratch, it is a great software to do so. It has loads of cool features like that to create product names or even ads and descriptions. Would I recommend this to anyone? Yes, I absolutely would. I'd recommend it to my friends or even any business partners if I had any. Personally, I think this is a great software and I would use it myself. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next.